Hi, we're here at Sacksteder's and this is our winter elegance tree. My name's Karen Sacksteder.
And I'm Jackie O'Reilly.
What we want to do now is to teach you how to decorate your Christmas tree at home. This is a 7.5-foot tree, and the first step is the ribbon that Jackie is working with.
I've already formed two of my bows together, and I'm doing it in my hand this time, and we're going to wire them together. That way you can keep them as is if you want from year to year.
And then we have some white berries that have icicles on them.
We can always add a foot to 2 foot on top of a tree.
So everything is pretty wired, and so therefore you can work with it. Our products are very nice. And then after that, something that has kind of been a big deal this year is your fresh like magnolias. All of these are wired. So see, I can go like this, So they're great. Then after the magnolias, we're going to use these beautiful stems. And again, I have not fluffed them up, so when you get them, they're not going to be fluffed up. You're going to just kind of open them up a little bit. We have very many other different forms of colors and pieces that we can use. See, isn't that pretty if you just wanted an easy table piece?
And we also want to remind you of all our arrangements that we do. And we can do any type sled that you have.
These are our snowflakes. That's one of our favorite things. We use a lot of non-breakable ornaments. They're pretty, and it works out great for us, doesn't it?
Yes.
We'll use some breakable ones, but we kind of steer away from them just because, you know, once you break it, then we're all sad about it. Got it? Oh, see? Exactly what I'm talking about.
Right on cue.
Right on cue. And you can see, are we ready?
Yes.
How we fully decorated this tree.
When you buy the package, you can also incorporate some of your precious ones, ornaments that you have at home.
So we're here to help Sacksteder's Interiors. Christmas is a big time at Sacksteder's. Ho, ho, ho.
Merry Christmas.